Some of the lines that are out there at the grocery store, you know, they're trying to get you instant gratification. And believe me, I understand. I've used them all. I used to use pink lotion. It's like basically castor oil all over your head because there was not like carrot oil. That's not what it is. You know, and we're really against oils in a lot of cases because they shrink the hair up and they make it greasy. The same stuff they lube a chassis on a car or on your bike with, if you can find a can and look at what the ingredients are, then walk over to your hair care store and pick up hair oil, just any old hair oil. See the ingredients and compare them. You're going to see very similar things. So just understand your bike or the car is not getting moisturized by using these things. So neither is your hair. What it is it's a lubricant that you put on your hair that makes it feel softer, but over time it builds up. So the hair inside gets all dried out. And you'll notice after using a heavy oil after a while, the outside feels slippery and greasy, but you're starting to get frizzy. If you cannot stop using an oil, you're like, you don't understand, Kelly, I have to use the oil. Well, okay, then fine. But you have to do like an apple cider vinegar rinse. Do that like once a week or once every other week. There's some new products that have come out that are really good. Quidad has a superfruit shampoo that I really like. It'll really remove the heavy buildup. But you know, that's the thing. People say, yeah, but it felt so soft with the buildup. But the thing is, what you end up doing is, and you'll notice this after a while, you keep putting the oil on. It's not as frizzy. You've used it a few times and it still feels slippery, but you'll notice after a while it will start to break off because you're not really getting real moisture in there. You're just getting like a plastic coating.